Good morning. This is me greeting y'all with energy as if I didn't have the laziest morning ever. Like, I didn't want to get up, but I'm up now. Today, I'm going to be bringing you guys along. We're having a health and wellness, health and fitness. I'm not sure which of the two, but health and wellness day in church. So I'm almost ready. I'll show you my outfit in a few. I just need to get water into this water bottle, and then I'm just waiting for my Apple Watch to finish charging, and we'll be on our way. So this is my outfit for today. This top is from Cotton On. The pants are from Boohoo Man, and I'm wearing a bodysuit. The bodysuit is from Shein. Yes, the bodysuit is from Shein. And I got pigtails, you guys. When else did I do pigtails? Oh my god. I have 20 minutes. Going out now. I put on my headphones, got my water bottle. I hope I don't lose this water bottle, eh? I hope I don't. But I haven't eaten. I realized there's a smoothie. There's a restaurant that sells smoothies nearby, so I'm gonna go over there before I get on the bus. When I tell you, I went out there and I knew that if I don't bring a jacket, I'm gonna freeze. The wind was so cold. I was like, I'm not dressed. Yeah, so I'm thinking it was either between these two, but this one is my school one. It has the uni badge. So I'm gonna wear the navy one. It's not the top for this one. This one is kind of like a darker navy, but it's fine as long as I'm not cold. Whoa. Jesus is Lord.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Omniscient, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To prove it that this is my shot.
Oh my goodness, that is what I'm here for. Come on. You came for the yes.
Winner. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views of the...
Even from a distance, even from a distance. So I just came from Tesco, and I got some drumsticks so that I can cook tonight. And then yeah, right now I'm going to the station, and yeah, I'll let you guys know when I'm home. I'm back home, guys. They also gave me this at church. It's a hand soap. So cute. It's gonna be in my bathroom.
Been drowning mountains in the sea. Wish they could've known. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. It's the moon, but I said it right.
Morning, you guys. It is currently 7:57, and I'm up early because I have a bit of work to do. I have some recordings from a practical assignment that I have to do and write a report on. So yeah, I have to do that. My skin has actually been behaving more here, and I've been reading that the water here is kind of harsh, and it has cleared some people's acne, so it has kind of cleared mine. Yeah, I just got off my period, so that's why I have itty bitties today of some visitors. But other than that, you know, my skin has been fairly behaving. But also, I think being here, juice is kind of more expensive. Like 100% pure juice is more expensive this side, so I've just been avoiding juice and acids altogether. Only if it's like a new Fanta flavor that I don't know and I want to try, that's when I'll have acid. But other than that, I've not been having acid. I've just been buying water bottles like that because it's so much cheaper to buy water. So I think that also contributed to my acne behaving. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work, and then I'll update you guys. And then I also have a meeting with my academic tutor, so I have to go to uni as well. Yeah, bring you guys on with me.
We gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. And we gonna be, hey. And we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be, yeah, we gonna be. We gon' be alright. We gon' be.
You love me with devotion. You don't kill me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give me. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit.
I'm so okay. He just said.
One eternity later.
Today, like another beautiful week, we've got a vase refresh. I genuinely didn't want to let go of these ones because I was like, I'm not ready to let go. This is the first bouquet that I've received in London, but it's time to let go. But at least the vase is not going to be empty. Okay, I'm coming back home to you. I'm coming back. So for now, I want to keep like the baby's games. I really want to keep them. And guys, I want a mic. Like I want a wireless lavalier, but like I'm a student. I don't have the funds for Rode and DJI. I don't have those yet. So I don't know. I know the Volcano X is a really good mic, but that one is, you know, I can only see it on South African websites. I can't find one here. So if you have recommendations, let me know. The weather outside is frightful. It's not even Thanksgiving yet and I'm already singing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the weather. Like, I'm scared and excited at the same time for the winter here. I don't know. I want to see all the lights come up and everything, but the cold is scary. But anyways, come with me. Today we are going for a skin analysis. We're gonna do some grocery shopping, keeping it simple. Yeah, it's currently 12 degrees outside. And the weather app says it feels like 3. I don't know. We're gonna see, but come with me here. This is the fit. You guys know the pants that I got from Boohoo with some New Balance sneakers. This purse, my friend Shani got it for me for my birthday. We're ready to go. It, like, I can even fit my smaller umbrella here. This is why I love it so much. But yeah.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines.
Your left, yeah?
Our greatest gift was you.
What do you think? Blend it properly. Because you're not as dark as you look.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, it's different because I'm lighter here by the nose, and then this side it's a bit dark. We all have to mix.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That side, yeah?
Yeah.
Blend it properly. I know it's lighter, but just try. Yeah.
Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birth.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think this one is
Yes.
better.
Yeah? Let me see your
Small
neck,
round.
pretty. Beauty.
It's more
Your
round.
neck. Yeah? Yeah?
I like
so,
it.
yeah. So do the whole face and see. Let's see.
It's okay.
Anything
like
else?
You saved me from the ways of this world.
Hi guys. It's on my love face. It's not fully done because I was testing out a foundation. I ended up getting it actually. Yeah, I ended up getting it. Hi guys, I'm back. My makeup looks crazy, I know. But you know, we were testing out the foundation and it started raining, which is why I didn't vlog that much anymore. But I didn't like put up my umbrella so that I can test how, like, whether the foundation will transfer or what in the rain. But it hasn't transferred to my hoodie, thank God for that. Yeah, I just got back home. I got a few things, just cereal and, you know, pasta and stuff, like just a few things to top up the groceries. But yo, the way my money just went it's a whole different thing navigating like the grocery expenses here, because I'd call my mom and I'd be like, I need this much amount of money and stuff, like especially when I haven't been paid yet. But I tell her I need this amount of money, and that amount of money goes like the wind, and I have to call her again like 2 days later, like, the money that you sent last time, remember when I said it was enough? Oh yeah, it wasn't enough. But I'm trying to give myself grace by saying, okay, it's still your second month, you're still figuring things out, but it doesn't make it less stressful. It doesn't. But we trust God. Trust God over here that He will provide and He will give me wisdom to navigate all of this. But yeah, I'm back home now. I have assignment work to do and I have to prepare for the church service tomorrow. But yeah, if I close it out here, I'm really tired, guys. Yo, I'm tired and it's taking like a bit of a mental toll on me. But I know God is faithful. We gonna pray, okay? Because one thing we do over here. Amen. Bye, guys.